Hello there and welcome to your walk around video of the BMW 320d on the 2015 65 reg. So I'll give you a walk around the outside of the car and I'll talk you through some of the features and options that this particular vehicle has. Starting with the outside of the car, you will of course see it has the stunning Your Next Car performance kit, which is fitted all in-house here at Your Next Car. Another nice feature on this particular vehicle is the LED fog lights and LED daytime running lights, as you can see in operation there. It also has the 19-inch LA M Sport alloys, which we've just had fully refurbished in the lovely grey, as you can see there. Down the side of the car we've got the M Performance decals. It also has privacy glass. Inside the car we have the lovely Oyster Dakota leather. It's a lovely clean tidy example, inside and out. Moving round to the rear of the car, where we have the satin rear boot spoiler, satin rear diffuser. Boot space, of course, on the 3 Series saloon is very good. Plenty of space in there, where you can also see your floor mats, which belong to the vehicle. LED rear lights. Okay, so we'll get inside now and I'll just talk you through some of the interior features and options that this vehicle has. Starting with which, it has the electric lumbar support, as well as the multi-function M Sport steering wheel with cruise control, speed limiter, volume controls and voice controls. BMW business navigation and media, so you can see the nav screen there. There's the Bluetooth screen for calls, DAB radio of course, a wide array of multimedia inputs. The vehicle itself was covered at just 88,757. If we go into the vehicle information, whilst I'm doing so, I can show you that it's got the automatic lights, it's got the dual climate function, and onto the vehicle information, where we can see that it's not due an engine oil change for 17,000 miles, so plenty of life until you'll need to change the oil. It has full service history, as you can see there, right from its first till the most recent. Okay, so that's pretty much going to finish the video for the BMW 320d black with the Oyster Dakota leather. Okay, thank you very much for watching. We hope to see you very soon here at Your Next Car. Thank you and take care. Goodbye.